Okay, everybody, it's right at 7 o'clock Eastern Time, and the slide continued on the British pound. If you remember, I think it was a couple of days ago, I was talking about the pound coming into this 9,800 level, and you can see it has achieved that target. And if you look back on this 4-hour bar here, you can see that the level the pound is trading at is right about the middle of this last trading range, and last trading range from about here down to about right there. You can see that it's roughly speaking the 50% level. Let me go ahead and put this one on, and let me add the 50% line here so you can see. There's the 50%. You can see it's a little bit below there, but nevertheless, halfway through this range here is basically where the market is trading. And this could be an important spot psychologically for the marketplace. It's just where markets tend to congregate for whatever reason. So we may see some support here. Let me move this over. Actually, now that I've adjusted it, you can see it's darn near right on the penny to halfway through that area. So I am looking for the market to get some support here again. Just like I was saying yesterday, I think the momentum at this point is just going to continue. There haven't been any really big ranges to indicate there's been a blow off, at least on the daily. Going up to the weekly, though, I would say that this market is ripe for a reversal, just because the market has gone down so much so fast. Let me I'm going to bring up a weekly bar where I know I can get some volume on it. Bear with me for a minute here. There we go. Okay, now this weekly bar is only FXCM data, but you can see that relative to the last couple of bars, there's been a nice volume spike here. You can see that last week, as the market was trying to break through this resistance area here, you can see that there was a big volume spike. This week has stayed basically at the average, very close to the prior volume, but we've got a big range. So we've got high volume, a wide range bar. That is a ripe situation for a reversal. Plus, we're coming right back into the prior highs. Now remember, these were the old 15-year highs that the market managed to break above. So as we go down to the daily bar, you can see that during that past week, let's see, right about here, you can see that the volume, let me mark off the first day here. There we go. So here's the first day of that big volume week that we were just talking about. So you can see that the volume came in late in the week as the market was trading down. You can see here that when the market pushed up, volume went up a little bit, but basically staying average, indicating there wasn't a whole lot of buying interest behind that. Then, of course, the market came down. This would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, volume started coming into the market. The market started plummeting. So we've got to keep our eyes open for possible reversals, which means we've got to watch for the classic signs, which is going to be either some kind of flag, possibly a pennant pattern. Also, we should be watching out for double bottoms as the market is trading. And let me get this adjusted. I apologize. There we go. And as we speak, it does look like the market is throwing in a double bottom. Because this is coming late in the session and I'm not going to sit here and watch this thing, this isn't something that I'm looking to take necessarily for a trade, but it is something that we've got to watch. The market has found support down in this area earlier. Now we're right back at that level, and volume is dropping. That's a good sign that more than likely the market is looking to the upside. So we just have to keep our eye on that. The only thing that I would have liked to have seen would have been some wide range bars to the downside over here, and also I would like to have seen some higher volume. Something like this type of reversal with this type of bar, or these type of bar or volume with these type of bars would have been a little bit better, I think. Right now, all we're seeing is additional selling in the background. You can see this volume spike here is coming in on the bars moving up, indicating that there's still selling pressure in the market. So we're definitely going to have to sit back and wait. But I just wanted to give you the heads up on the double bottom right here. For those traders looking to take part in the London session, I think you can get a move at least back up to these old highs with a possible breakout above these highs. But with this, if I'm not going to watch this with this selling in the background, I'm really not too confident about trying to go in above this level with an automatic pilot trade, especially given that the short-term, mid-term trends have now both switched to the downside. So another case where we just got to watch and wait and see what happens.